Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Cody Barrett, and these are your Business Bites. The World Bank and the Canada High Commission launched a gender assessment report on Thursday, which revealed that gender gaps in access to economic opportunity are wide in Jamaica. According to the report, women earn only 68% of men's yearly incomes, and among technicians and associate professionals, they earn on average 2/3 of the salary men receive. It further revealed that the gender wage gap widens as the level of education rises, with the average Jamaican woman earning 19% lower salaries than men. Among individuals with no education, women earn 83% of men's annual income. These gaps, according to the report, appears to be explained by the lack of opportunities, labor market discrimination, and the role of women as main caregivers for their families. And in the upcoming fiscal year, the government will introduce the Small Micro Merchant Incentive Program in an effort to encourage the usage of JAMDEX by small and medium-sized enterprises. The announcement was made by Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark during his opening budget presentation on Tuesday.
And I want to announce, Madam Speaker, that the first 10,000 merchants onboarded onto JAMDEX as of 1st of April 2023 and after will receive $25,000 of JAMDEX upon registration and onboarding. And for that registration, they have to, provide. This is government money, so we're going to need, registration certificates of incorporation, and they'll need even a low KYC account or some other bank account and a valid, some evidence of being compliant.
And that's it for your Business Bites. I'm Cody Barrett.